Hey guys, welcome back to another Shark video, and this video is going to be about these little wheels. What happened was less than 3 months ago we got another vacuum, which is right here. It's brand new, and believe it or not, one of the wheels has broken off again, or the little rubber came off of it. As you can see, this one is still okay. So we've been having this issue a lot. So every about 2 or 3 months, these little wheels break off. So it's been kind of an issue for us with this vacuum. But the good part is that Shark just released or releasing a brand new vacuum, which is also the Apex. But they have upgraded the little wheels underneath, which are supposed to last much longer. And not only that, they've upgraded the brush roll with a technology that will eliminate hair wrapping around the roll and stuff. So instead of just talking about it, let's take a look on the computer here, what I'm talking about. All right guys, so you're looking at a screen here of the new vacuum. So the new name for it right here, if you can see, it says AZ1000W. So they do have an AZ1002, which is this one here, and it just comes with extra stuff. The motorized pet tool, canister caddy, multi-angle tool, and the crevice tool, and some kind of bag. So don't really care about all that stuff, so I just want the vacuum. So as you can see, they have it for a really good deal of a one-time payment of $299, which is free shipping and handling plus tax, obviously. So you're looking at about 300 and, you know, depending on how much tax you have, $320, $30, $40 for the brand new with the 0M cleaner. So the 0M is, here it is, there's a picture of it. So the brush roll itself looks a little different. And not only that, it has like these little cutters. They don't really have a good picture here, do they? Yeah, you don't really see it here, but there's like these little fingers, you know, keep the hair from winding around, and so they'll cut it up, I guess, or won't let it roll around. So yeah, pretty much that's it. And according to some insiders is that the wheels got fixed on it too, because I think Shark got a lot of claims for the wheels like we have, because we've claimed quite a few under warranty because of those little wheels. I'm sure we were not the only ones, and I'm sure Shark has realized that that was a fault, and they have finally came out with a new model. And so this model should be awesome because it will eliminate the wheel problem, hopefully, and having it where you don't have to clean your brush roll all the time from hair and stuff is a huge plus with the 0M head cleaner. So all right guys, so we're super excited about this one. We're probably going to pick one up, maybe even two, because Shark has a really good deal. If you, well, let me go ahead and show you guys. If you want to buy two of them, I don't know who will, but we probably would want to. But see, if you get your second one, they give you a pretty nice discount. So for $224, you can get a second vacuum for that price, which I think is a great deal, especially if you need a second one. So anyways, you're looking at about $550 plus. Shark has in October, let me show you guys, if you're going to watch this in October, they have a 10% off coupon. So this is only for October though, so I'm not sure what they're gonna have after this. So yeah, if you want to buy a Shark vacuum right now, might be a good time to do that. All right guys, so we are back at the vacuum. So what we're gonna do while we're waiting on our new Apex is I need to make one of these heads work again. So probably the easiest thing will be, because one of these wheels actually pop off. So I don't know if you can tell, but they just kind of, you know, you can pop them right off. This one you can't. You have to take off this whole side thing. And I've made a couple videos of that already, so if you want to go check that out. But yeah, see on this head here, we have the one that's still good is actually on the hard part that you have to take it all apart. But the one that's bad is the one that just clips out. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use like a flat screwdriver, and it's kind of like what I got. And we're just gonna pry it out of there. Simple as that. Just like that, guys. It pops right out. If I can show you a better view here. As you can see, they just clip right in there. So here is the bad wheel. So one of the viewers suggested that maybe what's happening is, you know, there's stuff getting wound around the wheel, and it's causing it to lock up and slide instead of roll, you know, causing it to rub off and completely break off the rubber piece. So that's possible. I'm not sure exactly if that's what happened, but it might be. But in any case, we are going to see if we can, you know, cut the stuff around this at least once a week, That way we don't have a binding problem and see if they'll last longer or not. In any case, that could be the problem, but I don't know. They just feel so cheap. Like just the way this rolls, you can tell like everything is, the bearing is cheap. It's just so tiny. For such a big vacuum, this thing is just a tiny little piece. All right guys, so now we need to take out the good one off of this side here. And as you can see on this one, it's also all jammed up. I mean, it's still spinning all right, even if it's jammed up, but that's very possible is what's ruining them, is, you know, them getting locked up. But for some reason, I doubt it, but who knows, anything is possible, I guess. So we need to carefully pry this one out. See if I can do it without hurting anything here. There we go. So it just kind of like popped out. Pretty simple. As you can see guys, on this one, it still has felt a little bit on it when it originally came. But as you can see, that's very clogged on this side. So this very possibly could be our issue. So as you can see, this wheel is still in pretty good condition. So now we have a decent wheel here. It looks like still okay. It does look a little rough. I'm gonna show you guys up close. You can see like it's got a little bit of like, it just doesn't look, you know, 100%, but like it's starting to split right there kind of. So yeah, we're just gonna clip this new one right in here, right spot, and then just push hard enough like that, and that's it. So we're back in action. So hopefully this thing will last, you know, 2 to 3 weeks, however long it's gonna take the new one to come in. The reason it's gonna take that long because we live in Hawaii, so everything takes way longer. You know, plus they charge us a lot for shipping, even though it's free shipping, but it doesn't apply to us. So we might just go ahead and get 2 new ones, the 0Ms. That way we won't have to worry about a vacuum for maybe a couple years. So we'll see how we do that. So, but in any case, so this vacuum is good to go now. We can put it back together and keep using it. So once we receive our 0M vacuums, we'll definitely be making a new video of that, and we'll compare it to the old one here. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that video, and also check out the other videos I have on this vacuum. And if you always wanted to get the DuoClean Apex, it's definitely, in our opinion, one of the best vacuums you can get right now. It has amazing suction, and so it doesn't do so great on carpets, but it does amazing on hardwood floors. So, and hopefully with the new vacuum we will not be having this problem here. So it seems like no matter how much you clean it, it just constantly clogs and clogs and clogs. So yeah guys, check out the other videos, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos about Shark vacuums and do other stuff on this channel, and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.